How can I get rid of the hiccups? Hiccups remedies don't work for everyone, but here are some common techniques worth trying the next time your diaphragm gets stuck on repeat. Number 1. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. Number 2. Breathe into a paper bag for 20 seconds. Number 3. Drink a glass of cold water quickly. Number 4. Put the sugar under your tongue. Number 5. Tickle the roof of your mouth. Different information videos, subscribe now Moj Ranglani Films. Don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Thank you.